Alibaba, the BABA. Let's take a look and see what it's doing. I've heard some people say this could be a really good long, and here's what it has done. We get our dead cat, we get our crash, we get our bull trap with a double top, and it is pretty close to the S&P general crash. The the bottoms are a little bit higher than the S&P crashes. Got a little bit of a higher peak, but it has started to turn down before the general S&P has started to turn down. So no, I don't like this as a long during the crisis. I mean, the longs that we've seen, like the oil tankers, like they're up, 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 they're up, they're actually up. The whole trend is up. This thing is down with the crash, pretty good bounces, but not. No, this is not a long, not during the crash, not for another month and a half. In June, this is not financial advice, and this is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So, what we're looking for is the rest of this credit contraction cycle to play out, and it should be a down and a bounce, and then another area potentially lower. And I don't know if Alibaba probably wouldn't crash quite as far as some other things, but um, if that model plays out where we get a couple bounces here and then we get to the end of this credit contraction cycle, then we get an expansion phase. Whoops. We get an expansion phase here. This is conditions where I think Alibaba will actually be a good long. At the end of the credit contraction cycle, though, not before, and it doesn't look particularly interesting to me. Um, like even on the up moves kind of here, or if we get a little dead cat bounce here, it's not really like ripping up like some other things that we've looked at. So this is not interesting as a short or a long. It's not diving, it's not ripping up, it's just trending down, boring for the whole rest of this cycle, and then could be a really good long in the next cycle though, because these conditions would be good for Alibaba. And Alibaba always smashes that like button to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Oh no.